Do you want to earn money online? Have you ever wondered how people make a living without ever leaving their homes? Welcome to the digital age, where geographical boundaries no longer limit your potential for financial success. Making money online is not only possible, but it's also becoming increasingly common. It's a path that offers flexibility and independence, allowing you to work from anywhere, at any time. Imagine having the world as your marketplace, with the ability to reach out to millions of potential customers with just a few clicks. There is a multitude of ways to earn online. Some people choose to sell products or services, while others make a living through online marketing, affiliate programs, freelancing, or content creation. There's a digital goldmine out there, just waiting to be tapped into. It's a world full of opportunities where creativity, knowledge, and effort can translate into real income. Today, you're going to learn how to tap into this digital goldmine. The first step to earning money online is setting up your platform. Consider this platform as your digital storefront, your stage to the world. It's where you'll showcase your skills, sell your products, or share your ideas. But how do you select the right platform? Well, it's all about what you want to achieve. If you're passionate about writing, a blog might be ideal. If you're into video production, a YouTube channel could be your go-to. Or perhaps you're into selling products, then an online store would be perfect. But wait, don't rush off to set up your platform just yet. First, you need to decide on a niche. A niche is a specific area of focus. It's the topic you'll be known for, the speciality that sets you apart. It could be anything from vintage clothing to healthy cooking recipes or tech gadget reviews. Now, understanding your target audience is just as crucial. These are the people who are interested in your niche. They're your potential customers, viewers, or followers. Having a clear picture of who they are can help you tailor your content to their needs and interests. Setting up your platform isn't just about the technical side of things. It's about creating a space that reflects who you are and what you offer. It's about building a strong foundation for your online money-making journey. Once your platform is ready, you're all set to start earning money. Now that your platform is set, let's talk about the most exciting part, monetizing it. You've built a platform, and it's time to make it work for you. There are several ways to monetize your platform, and we'll delve into a few of these today. First up, we have advertising. This is one of the most common methods, and it's pretty straightforward. Companies pay to display their ads on your platform. You make money every time these ads are viewed or clicked. The trick here is to ensure the ads are relevant to your audience. Irrelevant ads can annoy your users and drive them away. Next, we have affiliate marketing. This method involves promoting someone else's product or service on your platform. You earn a commission every time your audience makes a purchase through your affiliate link. The key to effective affiliate marketing is to promote products or services that you genuinely believe in and that align with your audience's interests. Sponsored posts are another way to monetize your platform. In this case, a company pays you to create content about their product or service. This could be a review, a tutorial, or any other type of content that provides value to your audience. Transparency is key here. Always disclose when a post is sponsored. Finally, you can monetize your platform by selling your own products or services. This could be anything from an ebook or an online course to a physical product or a membership to exclusive content. The possibilities are endless. The key here is to offer something that your audience needs or wants. There are many ways to monetize your platform, but remember, the most important thing is to provide value to your audience. Your audience is the reason your platform exists. If you focus on providing them with valuable content, they will be more likely to engage with your monetization methods. Remember, the key to successful monetization is providing value to your audience. But how do you attract people to your platform in the first place? A question we've all pondered over, isn't it? Well, there are several strategies you can employ to grow your audience. One of the most effective ways is through search engine optimization, or SEO. This is the art of making your content easily discoverable by search engines, which can significantly increase your visibility. By using keywords that are relevant to your content and audience, you can rise to the top of search results and attract more viewers. Another strategy is social media marketing. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram can be powerful tools for promoting your content. By creating engaging posts and interacting with your audience, you can build a community around your platform. Remember, it's not just about broadcasting your content, but also about engaging in conversations and building relationships with your followers. Networking is also crucial. Reach out to other creators in your field, participate in online forums and communities, and attend events. By building connections, you can expand your reach and attract more people to your platform. But perhaps the most important strategy of all is creating high-quality, engaging content. No matter how much you market or network, If your content isn't compelling, people won't stick around. So focus on creating content that is valuable, interesting, and unique. With a dedicated audience, your earning potential is limitless. After all, it's the audience that makes or breaks a platform. So invest in them, nurture them, and watch your online earnings skyrocket. So there you have it, your guide to earning money online. We've covered some significant grounds today, haven't we? Let's do a quick recap. First, we discussed the importance of setting up your platform. This is your foundation, your stage, your voice. It's where you'll share your value, your skills, your knowledge. Next, we delved into the art of monetizing your platform. We explored various strategies, from affiliate marketing and sponsored posts to selling digital products and services. But monetization is only half the battle. To truly thrive in the digital world, you need to grow your audience. We touched on several techniques to do just that, like SEO, social media marketing, and creating engaging content. All these elements work together to create a strong, profitable online presence. Remember, earning money online is a journey, not a destination. Start today, and who knows where you'll be tomorrow.